Hey friends, if you are trying to install the wireless display option on your system, which is done through optional settings, and you are unable to install wireless display, which is required for connecting your computer to the TV and all, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, the resolution. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Open any browser and then go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to update the computer. Now, why are we updating the computer? Because there are a lot of security updates which are crucial to the system. And these security updates need to be installed for the system to work right and install additional properties such as the wireless display. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select the option to restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.